Hey guys, this is VB Theory again, and welcome to the fifth C# tutorial. So today's tutorial number 3 on my graphics series. So today we're gonna go about how to draw more advanced shapes. So in the first tutorial of this series, we talked about basic shapes like circles, squares, stuff like that. But now we're gonna go into more advanced ones. So if you haven't seen any of my previous tutorials in this series, please go ahead and check those out. They're going to help you a lot. So let's go with the first shape, which is an arc. So I've got this form here with double buffered enabled, and I'm going to jump into the events view and go down to form paint. Now, in order to create one of these, you just type in e.graphics.draw arc, and then we need to type in what pen we are going to use. So I'm going to go with pens.black, and then we specify the rectangle where the arc will be drawn on. So I'm going to go with 50 for the X and Y. For the width and height, I'm going to go with 150 for both of them. And then you get to choose the start angle. So you have 360 degrees. You choose where the arc will start. So I'm going to go with, say, 0. And then the sweep angle, which is the ending angle, I'll go with 150. Now let's run this application. And as you can see, there's this outside of a circle. So you're just drawing a part of the circle. But if you want to have it closed, instead of typing arc, you just type in pi. So this is the second shape we're going to discuss today, which is just a closed arc. And if we start the application, you'll see that the application draws an arc and closes it. Now let's go on to our third shape, which is a polygon. And you can use this to draw a triangle or whatever. So this is just choosing a couple points, and then the application links in between them. So go e.graphics.draw polygon. Then we choose our pen, so pens.black. And then we create an array of points. So I'll go new array, and inside we'll type in new point or point float if you want, 0 0, new point 50 50, new point 0 50. And as you can see, this creates a triangle here. Now, if you don't want your triangle to have rough angles, you just need to create a closed curve. So let's do that. Just type in draw closed curve. And again, you need to choose your pen, so pens.black. And then you choose the points. So create an array. And then you get to choose the tension. So that is how tight or loose you want your angles. I'll go with the value of 5. And then you get to choose your fill mode, which I'm not quite sure what it does. I did some research. I went into MSDN, but I didn't seem to get my answer. So if you guys know what that means, just leave it down there in the comment box. So let's run this application now. And as you can see, there's this triangle which has smoother edges. So if we remove our tension and put it into 0, you have rough angles. And the last thing we're going to discuss on this tutorial is what we call a Bezier, and that is creating a curved line. So go ahead and type in e.graphics.draw Bezier, then choose your pen, and in here we get to choose 4 different points. So I'm gonna go 0, 0, 50, 50, 120, 56. I don't know, I'm just mashing the keyboard trying to get some random values. So as you can see, it's a smooth line. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something in it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.